Back in March, we released a 3-part documentary about Reshoevn8r. In case you missed the big news in part 3, we announced the opening of our brand new store called Mini Worlds. In anticipation of that, I decided to customize these Nike SB dunks with a Mini Worlds theme. Also, I knew you guys been asking for giveaways, so this shoe will be given away. Stay tuned till the very end for details. So without further ado, you guys, let's get it started. For this custom, we are going to be doing both. The last time I did that was for Johnny's custom on the Air Force Ones. The first thing we got to do is remove our laces and insole. The next thing we're going to do is remove the factory finish off the leather uppers. We'll be using acetone and cotton balls. All done with the proper, you guys. Now the next thing we're gonna do is tape off the outsole and the sock liner so we can start laying down our paint. Good to go with the tape job. Now the first color we're going to be laying down is our metallic white paint from Jacquard. We'll be laying down that paint on the toe box and the side panels and the back area. We'll do so with my airbrush. Metallic white paint is fully laid down. The shimmer on this is beautiful. Now the next thing we're gonna do is cover up some of these areas, such as the toe box, the side panels, and this back piece, so we can lay down our next set of paint. We're all taped up, you guys. For this step, we're gonna be hydro dipping. Shout out to Heads Kicks. If you haven't seen that video, he showed me how to do this step. So simply what we're gonna do is spray some black paint over the water and dip the shoes. That did not work, you guys. As you can see, the shoe is still white with less metallic white. I had to go back and wipe off the entire hydro dip and all the white paint that I laid down previously before that because everything got ruined. What I am thankful for is none of that hydro dip got on the sock liner or tongue, so the shoe is still usable. But the hydro dip is super messy, you guys. I would not recommend doing it in big chunks like I was trying to do. So what I'm gonna do now is go back to my original idea and make the shoe a little bit more simpler. Good to go with the tape job once again. Now let's go ahead and lay down our Mini World stencil. For this step, we're simply gonna go ahead and lay down on all 4 side panels. Stencils are good to go. They're nicely laid down all around. I went back and added a 5th row on top to both sides of the shoes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the swooshes before I do some more taping. Alright, finally, tape drop's good to go, stencils are laid down, we are ready to lay down some paint. We're gonna lay down some Jacquard opaque black through my airbrush. All done laying on the black paint, I added some dollars to the black paint to get this awesome flat finish. Now let's go ahead and remove the tape and stencils. All done removing the tape and stencils, you guys, as you can see, the white letters just really pop off that flat black paint. Same thing with the swoosh, the tongue and sock liner just pop off that black. I am super happy how these are turning out. And the next step we gotta do is take care of these back tabs. We're gonna paint around the white letters and leave the white letters white, and everything else is gonna stay flat black like the rest of the shoe. We are almost done with this custom. We got the back tabs fully painted. The last thing we gotta do is remove the tape and lace the shoe up. Alright guys, that's going to bring us to an end on these custom Nike SB mini roll dunks. I originally had an entire different vision for this custom. Unfortunately, midway, that did not go as planned. Had to completely scrap that idea and come up with a new one. Needless to say, I am super happy how these turned out. The flat black looks super dope next to the white. The stenciling on the side, the logo on the back, all screams awesome. As I mentioned earlier, these customs will be given away. The winner will also be receiving this limited edition box with our entire rebranded product line. To enter, here are the rules. Number 1, you gotta be following Mini Worlds on Instagram. And number 2, comment down below with your Instagram handle with the correct answer to the following question. Which sneaker con did Steve, aka Mr. Reshoevn8r, realize we were gaining real popularity? If you don't know the answer to that, you can find it in our Reshoevn8r documentary series on our YouTube channel. That contest starts today and ends May 15th. Good luck you guys, this is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next time.